Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase for meme coins. First, you will need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves providing some basic personal details and verifying your identity. Once your account is ready, link a payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to easily fund your crypto purchases. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for robust security from the start. Now that your account is set up, let's find some meme coins. Head over to the Trade section within the Coinbase app or website. You can search for specific meme coins using their ticker symbol, like Doge or SHIB, or their full name. Once you find your desired coin, enter the amount you wish to invest, review the details, and confirm your purchase. It's a straightforward process. After purchasing, your meme coins will appear in your portfolio. Here, you can track their current value and performance. Coinbase allows you to set up price alerts, notifying you of significant market changes, which is very helpful. When you decide, you can easily sell your coins back to fiat currency or swap them for other cryptocurrencies directly within the platform. Protecting your investments is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication for every login. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Coinbase will never ask for your private keys. Remember, the crypto market can be highly volatile, so only invest an amount you are comfortable losing. Research thoroughly before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.